Ground beef. Let's spice it up. Italian spice, multi-spice. Let's massage it and make a patty out of it. Cut the cheese. Hot pan, patty, olive oil. Flip it now. Flip it after 2 minutes. Add the cheese on top. Break first egg like this. Now break another egg. Cover with lid. Turn off the heat. It will cook itself. Cut the bread. Mustard on bread. Ketchup on the bread. And some mayo if you like. Spread everything around the bun. Nice, steamy and delicious. Let's serve first egg on the sandwich. Now put tomato on it. Cover with the cheeseburger. Now the second egg goes on top. Cover everything with the bun. Let's see it from all sides. Beautiful, tasty, steamy and delicious. Inside, perfect. Let's try it. Yummy. Like, share and subscribe, my friend.